Hello guys, what's going on? Today we're going to be answering 25 English grammar practical tests. Just as I said in the previous video, I'm a beginner in English and I'm trying to learn it so that I can also speak fluent, just like a native English speaker. So I have 25 questions right here. Actually, they are on a website. I've never seen any of the questions. I'm going to tackle all of them to see my strength in English. But be with me and let's do it together because whilst you are here, I think you are also trying to learn and speak well in English. Now, subscribe to the channel, tap on the bell notification, and let's get right into it. So, right here we have the website, and on top of it, we have English language assessment. Then, instructions. Let's go through the instructions because they are really important. Instruction number one, number of questions 25. So, we are going to be answering 25 questions in total. Then, next must be finished in one sitting. You cannot save and finish later. So that means you have to finish all at once. Then questions displayed per page is just one. Will allow you to go back and change your answers. That is kind of clear. Then the last instruction will not let you finish with any question unattempted. So that means we have to attempt all the questions before we can submit. So now that we know these instructions, we can actually begin. So I'm gonna hit continue. Then I'll also hit continue once again and then move on. So these are the questions. Let's begin. Question number one. Question number one. In some countries, very cold all the time. In some countries, it's very cold all the time. There is very cold all the time. It is very cold all the time. I don't know. I think I'm going for option C. It is very cold all the time. Next. In the jungle, almost every day, there rains. It rains. It's raining. I don't know. In the jungle, it rains all the time. I'm going for option B. Next. Question 3. Americans are not able to speak a second language. The most, very, I don't know. Most Americans are not able to speak a second language. The most American, no. I'm going for option B. Next. Question 4. Very people can speak more than 3 languages. Less, some, few, I don't know. Very, some people doesn't make sense. Less people doesn't sound well. Very few people. I'm going for option C. Next, question number 5. He is very well known the world. Or all over, or is I don't know. I think this is pretty much easy. All over the world, which is option B. Next, question 6. Many people that New York City is too crowded. Many people believe in, believe, believe, I don't know. Many people believe, I'm going for option B. Many people believe that New York is, you know. Question 7. Many teachers, their students should learn a foreign language. A, saying, B, say, C, told, D, I don't know. Many teachers say their students should learn a foreign language. I'm going for many teachers told their students should say no. I'm going for option B. Question 8. It can take to learn any language. A long time. B, longer time. C, long. D, I don't know. It can take a long time to learn any language. Longer time to learn any language. I'm going for A. It can take a long time to learn a language. Just as I'm doing. So that means it's going to take a long time. Okay. Question 9. There aren't easy ways of learning a foreign language in your own country. There aren't no easy way, none, any, I don't know. I think this is a little bit challenging, but I think I'm going for there aren't any easy way, any easy ways of learning a foreign language in your country. So I'm going for option C. Then question 10. There are two children both born in London. Their two children is both, where both have been, both doesn't make sense for have been. So I'm going for their two children were both born in London. So I'm going for option B. Next, David wanted a house, the school. David wanted a house next the school. Next the school, it has to be something like two. So I'm not going for A. B, near the school, kind of makes sense. I'm going for near the school. Close the school, something is missing, right? So I'm going for option B. Question 12. The Pattersons living in the same house for the last 10 years. A, have been. B, will be. C, will have been. And D, I don't know. The Pattersons have been living in the house for the last 10 years. I'm going for option A. The Pattersons have been living in the same house for the past 10 years. Then question 13. I bought some food at the city market park. Obviously, this is market. We normally buy some food stuff from the market. Question 14. How are you? It makes sense. A, age. B, weight. C, tall. D, I don't know. I think I'm going for option C. How tall are you? I am 5.6 meters tall. What about you? Comment in the comment section down below. Question 15. How long married? A, been. B, is you. C, have you been? D, I don't know. How long have you been married? I'm going for option C. Have you been married? Question 16. They go out to the bars. They something go out to the bar. They likely go out to the bar. They always go out to the bar. I'm going for option C. Always. Question 17. This is the best coffee I have tasted. A, never. B, sometimes. C, ever. This is the best coffee I have ever tasted. I'm going for option C. Next, question 18. If he about it, I'm sure he would help. If he A, has known, B, had known, C, knew, and D, I don't know. I think this is a little bit challenging, but I'm going for if he knew about it, I'm sure he would help. I'm going for option C. If he knew about it, I'm sure he would. Yes. Question 19. We are almost there. Donna looks in her new dress. Donna looks A, like nice. B, nice. C, dressy. I'm going for option B. Donna looks nice in her dress. Question 20. A house is than a car. A house is A, more expensive, B, expensiver, C, much expensive, and D, I don't know. So I'm going for option A. A house is more expensive than a car. House is more expensive than a car. That is true. Question 21. Tram are you taking? The number 11 or number 13? A, which, B, who, C, where, D, I don't know. I think I'm going for which. So let me select which. Next, question 22. We haven't got check friends. A, none. B, nobody. C, any. We haven't got any check friends. I'm going for option C. Question 23. I am very sick. I should go to the for medicine. A, pharmacy. B, butcher. C, bank. D, I don't know. If you're sick, you have to go to the pharmacy for medicine. Question 24. Drinks wine than beer. A, I would be. B, I would rather. C, I had been. D, I don't know. So I'm going for option B. I would rather drink wine than beer. So I would rather drink wine than beer. Question 25. That is our last question. Daniel, is it Daniel? Daniel has two sisters. She doesn't speak to of them. A, both. B, either. C, some. D, I don't know. Daniel has two sisters. She doesn't speak to both of them. So I'm going for option A. And that is pretty much it. I'm going to tap on finish to see what we have gotten so far. So next, confirm finish now. Let's see my total score. Oh my God, I'm too nervous. Come on, bro. I had one wrong, bro. Damn. 24 over 25. Percentage 96%. Duration 12 minutes 42 seconds. Day started, date finished. Oh my God. Let's see the question that I had wrong because it really pains me a lot. Let's see. So this table right here is trying to interpret our score that we had. We had above 81. So C1 advanced course. So that means we need an advanced course. Then probably next time I'll go for a little bit cheaper, a little bit difficult course for us to do. So these are the options. Let me see. I had all these questions correct. The one that I had wrong, which question number is that? Let me go through real quick. Which question is that? Damn, I can't see. Oh, they just deducted 1 mark from my total marks. Woo! Damn, the last question, bro, damn. Danielle has two sisters. She doesn't speak to either of them. Guys, I had 24 over 25. I got just one wrong. I think I am improving a little bit. So be with me. Let's learn together. And I believe you found the video useful. Smash the subscribe button. Tap on the bell notification so that you'll be notified whenever I release a new video. See you again on the next video. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye-bye.